Very, very excited. I think this is the first unboxing I've done since, hell, the end of last year. I hope these fit. Oh, okay, be quiet, I'm inside for business. Oh, everything's still on. Let's see here. 8. Wait a minute now. 8. Is that supposed to be an 8? Oh, Lord. Okay, a bit off. Came with a box back too. Very nice. Yay. Okay. They look like they might be the right size. Okay. I'm in the box store here where I have my private mailbox for my private orders. AKA my husband doesn't see it. I mean, obviously, he eventually sees it, but I'm so excited. Oh, it is 8.5. Oh, crap. I thought it was a 9. Oh, crap. Before I even get excited, let me see. White toes for the summer. Okay, let me walk around. Don't want them to think I'm expecting them to pick that up. I love it. Oh my God, these are so comfortable. I already own another pair. But, yeah, these are men's size, so they're a little more giving. The cut's more generous, I think. Look at this. The person I wore it a couple of times. And I got it about 60% off retail. Look at that. It's cloth. I love it. Oh, it's gonna go so good with jeans, with white pants. Oh yeah. Very excited. Okay, so this is a good thing. So very good. So I'll put these both back in there. Oh, the next item, I'm a little more nervous about. According to the online measurements, it should fit my wrist. However, after ordering it, I found another website was selling the same item, and those measurements were about half an inch, quarter of an inch smaller. So hopefully my online measurements are the accurate ones. Oh, fingers crossed that that's done. This is the first time I've ordered from this company. I've forgotten the name of the company already. Okay, oh, let me see if there's, oh no, not this one. I know sometimes they have the shipping label right there. Yep, they sure do. So let me get this. Some of my personal info's out there. Yeah, this is where I got this from, Couture USA. So, it with me. There we go. Okay. And can I be returned without this tag attached? 15% processing if you have tag is removed. Good to know. Uh-oh. This does not bode well. Please. It's beautiful. Oh, let me look at that with my own eyes. Oh my God, I love it. So I think it's Chanel from 2012. Yeah. But what's more important than anything is, will it fit my wrist? Uh-oh. This don't look good. Can I do this with one hand? Thank you. Okay, so I've got it sort of on. Let's see if this will close. This is on. Will it close? Oh, I don't think it's gonna close. It's not gonna close without causing bodily injury. Oh no, it's too small. Sorry, I'm doing this with one hand. It's too small. Bummer. Oh, this sucks. It's too small. Oh. Oh well. So the measurements of 7.25 are definitely wrong. The measurements that say 6.75 are correct. God, this was cute too. Oh well. 1 out of 2 8 bags. I do love these shoes. Okay, unfortunately this will be getting returned. It's gorgeous, but no bueno. All right, y'all. Bye.